Mexican Army divers were blocked by debris in their first attempt to descend deep into a flooded coal mine in northern Mexico where 10 miners have been trapped for a week, the country's defense minister said. The miners became trapped at a mine in the border state of Coahuila on August 3, when their excavation work caused a tunnel wall to collapse, triggering flooding in parts of the underground mine. 2 military divers entered one of the 3 flooded mine shafts after a miner and a rescue professional submerged 4 times to clear debris, but were unable to fully enter the mine. There is no space to move forward, there are obstructions. There are still some planks of wood. Even with their lights to see inside, they don't have the necessary visibility to identify what they're finding, Defense Minister said. Officials would continue efforts to attempt to enter the mine while ensuring the safety of rescue teams. The water depths in the 3 shafts measure about 30 feet, 23 feet and 16 feet.